In this video we will be learn how to create a custom calendar table. Okay, so let's start. So firstly, just choose any of these your available tables, and then you'll be see the table tools, and here you can find the new table. So your so let's make this calendar, and then here we have to write the function. So we'll be use here the add columns and calendar auto functions, and some year, quarter, month and format functions. Okay, so let's write add columns, and then here calendar auto. So let's close this bracket and make it something dynamic. So just hold shift key and then press enter, then it will be separated two lines. So make this same. Now press tab to rearrange the position. Now here will be write another line, for new lines calendar auto, then hold shift key and then press enter, and then right here calendar auto. Now close this calendar auto bracket and then comma. It shows the table name and expression. So our as a table will be used here the calendar auto, as table will be used your calendar auto functions, and the comma now will be use the column and expression. So shift enter, go to the next line, and right here like year, we need a year. So here year, and then close the now comma, and here will be right here the function year. So this is year, and then it shows need to input date. So uh, press the third bracket, and then you can see here the date. Also you can write here date, then you'll be see the date only. So select the date and then close the bracket, and now you'll be see in our calendar table it shows a date and year. Okay, now will be add quarter, month, fiscal year, and the month number. Okay, now comma, shift enter for the next line, and here again input the column name. So column name should be quarter, and then comma, and then quarter, and then here same as we have to input the date. So third bracket date, and now close the bracket. You will be see here the quarter is added now. Okay, now if you would like to enter some text with year like FY, I mean fiscal year, or CY, then what should be the process? So here you need to open quotes, and then input here like FY happen, then close the quotes, and then symbol should be and then hit enter, and you'll be see here the effect FY 2001. Okay, similar as if you'd like to change the quarter to Q1 or Q2, Q3 or QTR 1 2 3, then you have to follow the same step, uh, like Q, and then hit enter. You will be see here the key 1 2 3 it shows looks like. Okay, now we have to add the month. So input here the comma for name 3, and then shift enter, and then here input your column name. Column name should be month. Okay, and then comma, and then it shows the expression. So expression should be will be used here the month function for number of the month, and also will be extract the month name using the format function. Let's do this fast. Okay, so here date, close the bracket, and you can see here the month number is added. Now we'll be add the month name, then comma, and then shift enter for the new line, and here will be right here like month name, and then comma, and now expression 4. So this is the column name and then comma expression. So expression should be format function. I mean, we'll be use this date column and then we'll be format it to the month full name. Okay, so here we'll be write format and then value. So value should be a date, value should be this date column. So we'll be right here date and then comma, and it shows format. What should be the format? So we know that MMM, this is the three letter for the month, and MMMM, this is the four letter for the full month name. So similar as if you would like to format the year, then it should be YYY. If you would like to quarter, then QQQ, like that. So here will be open the quotes and then input month and then close the bracket, triple M, that means it shows the three letters of the month. So you would like to enter the four, I mean whole full month name, then input the 4MMM to format the month. Now you can see that it shows the full month name. So in this way you can format it. So in this way you can create the custom calendar table easily. Just follow the few steps and use the function calendar auto, add columns, year function, quarter function, month, and the format function. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and I'll be get back to you within with new more videos.